am Jovita.
And I am Felita.
Twin Chinese Mandarin.
In this video, we will learn Chinese conversation about
Making friends. 交朋友。你好。
Ni hao means hello. Ni hao is one of the most frequently used greetings in Chinese. Repeat after me.
你好。
你好，你是留学生吗？
你是留学生吗？
你 means you. 是 are 留学生 foreign student.
吗 Are you?
So 你是留学生吗？
Are you a foreign student?
Repeat after me.
你是留学生吗 ？Next.
是，我叫 Jovita。
是，我叫 Jovita。是 yes is used to affirm something. 我爱叫 call. So when we say 是我叫 Jovita, it means yes, I am Jovita. Repeat after me. 是我叫 fill with your name.
你叫什么名字？
你叫什么名字？你 you 叫 call 什么 what 名字 name when combined 你叫什么名字 What's your name? Repeat after me. 你叫什么名字 Next. 我是 Felita. 我是 You can fill in with your name. 我爱是 am. For example, 我是 Felita. It's the same as 我叫 Felita. 我是 Felita means I am Felita. Let's repeat after me. 我是。
你是哪国人？
你是哪国人？你 you 是 are 哪国 which country 人 people so when combined 你是哪国人 which country are you from repeat after me 你是哪国人 Next
我是印尼人。
我是印尼人。我爱是 am 印尼 Indonesia 人 people 印尼人 Indonesian when combined 我是印尼人 I am Indonesian repeat after me 我是印尼人
你是台湾人吗？
你是台湾人吗？你 you 是 are 台湾台湾人 people 台湾人 Taiwanese 吗 Are you? When all combined 你是台湾人吗 Are you Taiwanese? Repeat after me 你是台湾人吗Next.
不是，我是日本人。
不是，我是日本人。不是。No, I'm not. Is used to negate something. 我爱是 am 日本 Japan 人 people 日本人 Japanese. When all combined 不是。我是日本人。No, I am Japanese. Repeat after me. 不是，我是日本人。Next.
你来自印尼哪里？
你来自印尼哪里？你 you 来自 come from 印尼 Indonesia 哪里 where 印尼哪里
Which part of Indonesia?
When all combined,
你来自印尼哪里
which part of Indonesia are you from? Repeat after me.
你来自印尼哪里
Next,
我来自泗水。我来自泗水。
我 I 来自 come from
泗水。
Surabaya City. So, when combined,
我来自泗水。
I am from Surabaya. Repeat after me.
我来自泗水。
Next,
对了，你几岁？对了，你几岁？
对了. By the way, it's used to change the topic of conversation. 你 you. 几 how many. 岁
age。
when all combined.
对了，你几岁？
By the way, how old are you? Repeat after me.
对了，你几岁？
Next,
我18岁，你呢？我18岁。
你呢？我 I 18. 18. If you haven't memorized number in Mandarin yet, you can check the previous Twin Chinese Mandarin video about numbers. 岁
age。
你 you. 呢 is used to ask a question back. So, when all combined,
我18岁。
你呢 I am 18 years old. How about you? Repeat after me.
我18岁。
你呢 Next,
我20岁。我20岁。
我 I 20 20 岁
age。
When combined,
我20岁。
I am 20 years old. Repeat after me.
我20岁。
Next,
很高兴认识你。很高兴认识你。
很 very 高兴 happy 认识 to know 你 you. So when combined,
很高兴认识你。
nice to meet you. Repeat after me.
很高兴认识你。
Next,
认识你我也很高兴。认识你我也很高兴。
认识 to know 你 you 我 I 也 also 很 very 高兴 happy when all combined,
认识你我也很高兴。
nice to meet you too. Repeat after me.
认识你我也很高兴。
We can also answer 我也很高兴认识你. It means the same thing.
Let's practice the conversation. 你好，你好，你是留学生吗？是，我叫Jovita，你叫什么名字？我是Felita，你是哪国人？我是印尼人，你是台湾人吗？不是，我是日本人。你来自印尼哪里？我来自泗水。对了，你几岁？我18岁。你呢？我20岁。很高兴认识你。认识你我也很高兴。Okay, friends, we have learned conversation in Chinese about making friends. What topic do you want next? Write in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the latest video from Twin Chinese Mandarin. 再见。